it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price action today pretty straightforward. And if you were to say, Clay, summarize the price action today, I would say pump and dump. Now, before you start throwing stones, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense that this company's not real or they're being run out of somebody's attic over in Mongolia. I'm not saying any of that. I'm making the statement based strictly off of how the price reacted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price is right back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's first, where did all this start? Well, the majority of it started when the price got the breakout of this key mark here that, the price had been struggling to get through right around here at, we'll call it $1.98. You can see just multiple times rejected. Didn't quite hit it, but rejected, directly rejected, directly rejected. You get the point. Lots of history right around this $1.98. Heck, if you want to call it $2, that's fine too. If you want to call it, $1.95, $1.96. But the point here being right around this area is where there's been a whole lot of selling, and where when the breakout happened here, you can see that's essentially where the first part of our definition comes into play. Price makes a really nice move. From here all the way up to there, I would say that was a very, very nice move. Now, the second part of the definition is within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it all started, or in some cases lower. So considering this all happened in the same day, I would say, yeah, that's a relatively short amount of time. And where did the price close today? Right here. What were we defining as our starting point? Well, the green line. So not only did it go back to where it started, it actually went a little bit lower. And if that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. Now, can the bulls put something entirely new together? Yeah. Maybe tomorrow this thing's going to skyrocket again. But as far as this move right here is concerned, there was no genuine power behind it. If there was genuine power behind it, I'm stating the obvious when I say this, I realize the price would not have closed back here right where it all started. The price would have at least maintained itself a little bit. Am I saying it had to close up in here on the chart? No, but heck, even if it had come down here and bounced around, at least at that point, it would have still shown some signs of progress with a low right there relative to, where it was. So pump and dump today on DRYS. If you've been following this for a while, I'm sure it's not totally shocking. But, for those people that were wondering kind of is the start of something bigger, I don't know. But as far as that price action this morning was concerned, no genuine power behind it, because the price, if there was genuine power, the price would be making progress, not doing what it did today. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.